Hello, my dear kids. Good morning. Welcome back to our computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter number 6 as you see on the screen, animations in Scratch. In this chapter, today we are going to learn new topic, and this is the last topic of this chapter, which is playing instruments, given on page number 58 in your computer textbook. So be ready with your textbook. Let's learn playing instruments. So students, this is my computer screen, and today we are going to learn last topic of chapter 6, which is playing the instruments. It is very interesting. You will enjoy this class. Okay. So let's first open our Scratch 2 offline editor. It is already available shortcut on my desktop. So I am just double clicking on this and it will open Scratch 2 offline editor. Let's maximize it using this maximize button. Click on this. Yes, this is our Scratch main window. Now here sound block is given in sound block, and it provides different blocks to add music to our Scratch project. We can add music using this sound block. Let's click on this. Yes, these are the blocks that sound block give to us, and using these all blocks we can make or add music in our Scratch project. It also provides music based on different instruments using the set instrument to block. This block is allows us to add different instrument music. Okay, set into instrument 2. Okay, so this block sets the type of instruments that a sprite uses to play the note, and there are 21 different inbuilt instruments from which we can select the desired one. Here we can type from 1 to 21. There are 21 different notes of instruments available in this set instrument block, and we can play it in our Scratch project. Okay, and the all notes are signified by numbers 1 to 21. Okay, now let us create a dancing sprite project. Okay, that is given in your textbook on page number 59 as figure 6.8 and figure 6.9. Both script we are going to make today and make a dancing girl project. Okay, for that we have to delete this cat sprite. Okay, so just right click here on the cat sprite and select delete option and click on this. The cat option, cat sprite will be deleted. Now let's take new sprite from this new sprite button and the library option. Okay, now click on this. Yes, this is our Scratch sprite library. In this you have to select people category. So click on this people, and we have to take this KZ dance lady. Okay, so click on this. It will select it. Now click on the OK button. You can see this lady as a sprite is available on stage now. This is our today's sprite. Okay, very interesting. Yes, now we let's change the backdrop also, means this stage background. Okay, so to change background of this stage, click this is new backdrop option. Here click on the first option, which is backdrop from library. Click on this. It is shows all the backdrop of Scratch library, backdrop library. Now we have to click on music and dance category theme. Music and dance, this is here. Click on this. It will shows us music and dance themes, and here we have to select this spotlight stage. So click on this. It will select it. Now click on OK button here. Okay, now click on this. You can see a beautiful backdrop or background added to our stage, and this lady will dance on this stage. Okay, okay, now let's go to the script block. Click on this script block. Now make script on this sprite will be selected. Okay, now in your textbook on figure 6.8 one script is given in figure 6.9. Okay, when flag is clicked, this block we have to take first. Okay, so this block is available in the event block. So click on this, and the first is when flag is clicked, this green flag is clicked. So just click and drag it to the script area here, this block. Now next block is forever block. Okay, so forever block available in the control block. Click on this and take this is forever block. Click on this and take to the stage, drag to the stage. Now inside the forever block we have to add three blocks. First is next costumes. So next costumes we can find in looks block. So click on looks blocks. Here next costume block is available here. So click on this and drag it to the forever block and place it inside the forever block. Now next is wait 1 second. Wait 1 second available in the control block. So click on control block and this is wait 1 second block and place it below the next costume block inside the forever block. Now last is next costume again. Okay, now every 1 second it will change the costume of the sprite. So let's take again next costume in looks block and this is our next costume block and drag it to the forever block. So this is our first script ready to change the costume of this sprite. Now next script is when flag is clicked. Again we have to take when flag is clicked block. So it is available in the event block. Click on this. This is when flag is clicked. So click and drag to the script area. It is another script. Okay, so placed below the this first script. Now inside these also we have to take forever block. So click on control block and this is our forever block. Click and drag it to the script area here. Okay, now inside the forever blocks we have to give the instrument. Okay, instrument music from different instrument music and it will be played different instrument music then after forever when stop button is not clicked. Okay, so first block is set instrument to 21. So this block we can find in sound block. So click on sound block and this is set instrument to block. So just click and drag it to the script area inside the forever block. Place it to the inside the forever block. Okay, now next is play drum for 0.2 bits. So this is our play drum block. You have to just click and drag it to the script area. Yes, here and place below the set instrument to block. Now here we have to take this play drum block 11 or 10 times. Okay, so every time we have to change the play drum notes. We have 21 different notes. So here one is type. You have to click on this downside arrow. You can see on the screen this downside arrow of gray color. Click on this arrow and select 3 from here. 3. Okay, now bits we have to change to 0.22. So click on this, it will select it. Now type 0.2 from the keyboard. It is completed. Now again take play drum for, click on this down arrow and select 7 as given in your textbook we are going. Okay, so click on this and type 0.2 from the keyboard. Now again take play drum. I am taking and again click on this arrow and select 4 and here type 0.2 bits. Again play drum 4th time. Here in this click on this arrow and take 2 and here type 0.2 bits. Every time we have to type. So again play drum. Now we have to select the number 9. So click on number 9 and here click on this and type 0.2 from the keyboard. Again take play drum block and here click on this arrow and select 1 and here you have to type 0.2 from the keyboard. Now again take play drum block and select this arrow and select 15 from this number and type here 0.2 from the keyboard. Okay, now again take the play drum option block and click on this arrow and select 13 bongo music. Now click on this and type 0.2 from the keyboard. Now again take, this is last time. Okay, play drum and click on this arrow and select here 12 triangle. Okay, now here type 0.2 from the keyboard. So this is our script ready for this project. Okay, now let's see what happens when we click on this green flag. Okay. When we click on this green flag, these and these both scripts are executed at a time. Okay, executes at a time. It will change the costume of this sprite every after 1 second and it will play instrument sound. Here we have to change the instrument sound to 21. Sorry, I forgot. So click on this brown arrow, sorry, gray arrow, and select 20 from synth pad from here. Now set instrument to 21. Okay, now let's click on the green flag, and it will execute our all the scripts block, and here it is perform this. Okay, now here when we not click on the stop button, it will not stop because we take forever block, and forever block is endless. It will end only when we click on the red stop, this red stop button. Okay, okay, so let's click on this green flag. What happened, we see, you can see here music is played and girl is dancing on the stage. Okay, and instruments are also playing, and it will not stop until we click on this red stop button. Okay, you can hear sound of music every time it will change, as we set drum to different notes and different beats. Every time it will change costume because we take this next costume block. You can see. Now when I'm clicking on this red stop button, it will stop the execution. Okay, so let's click on stop button, click. You can see now the execution is stopped because I clicked on this red stop button. Okay, so this is our playing instrument project in Scratch. This way you can make beautiful projects in Scratch. If you have computer or laptop at your home, then please make beautiful project in Scratch. Okay, so this is our last topic of this chapter. In next class we will fill the exercise of this chapter in textbook and notebook. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.